Hello, everybody, and welcome. This is Jay Hunter Holland coming at you with another helpful tip for using Pro Tools. Today, we're going to be going over how to do automation in Pro Tools. You know, you hear people say, oh my God, it's so hard to do automation in Pro Tools. It's way easier on other DAWs. Well, guess what? That's actually not true. It's super easy to do automation in Pro Tools, and I'm going to show y'all how to do it in less than 1 minute. Let's jump on in. All right, so my vocal bus is right here, and what I'm going to do is switch it from read to write. And also, so I can see the automation, I'm going to switch it from overview down to reverb and level. And then with this send open, the reverb send right here, and that's connected down here to this reverb return, this aux input track. I'm using H delay. Make sure the wetness is on 100%. Then I'll scroll up here, and all I'll do is I'll play the track, and I'll move this send fader, and it will write the automation in. All right, let me show you.
Really got my little bit. You got me hanging on a beat of your heart. Hey, Delilah, I'm not supposed to live again. Meet me where you will. You're the queen of my heart.
All right, so right there you see the automation is written in, the reverb level, and it's all good to go. That's all there is to it.